So I don't have much to change in this room, but there was something pointing out at me saying, get it out. And that's that tired looking plant that's up there on the mantle. It had to go. And once again, my name is Jamela over at Viva La Vintage for your home. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. But before we begin, how about you go ahead and click that subscribe button and welcome to the family. And I have been curtailing my desire to go and buy things for thrifting because I'm trying to use up what I already have in the house. So yeah, I just pulled out another basket and I shifted a plant that was overgrowing on the bar cart in the dining room. This plant was the one I put in the fish bowl that I, DIY with the chalk paint. However, I didn't want to break the bowl to pull it out, so I just found that basket and it fits in there so it doesn't topple over on the mantle. I honestly cannot get over how much that plant has grown, and I didn't believe it was going to get that big. And now I'm happy girl. And that's all I have for my home. But coming up, I'm going to show you some thrifters' homes who have beautiful dining rooms. And since it's National Use Your Dining Room Month, let's just start with Nicole. Nicole Simmons is the founder of the Afro-Bohemian Facebook group. She and I are equally passionate about showcasing our African American style in our home, along with thrifting our house into a home. She found such beautiful pieces on the Facebook marketplace and at thrift stores, but Nicole is dynamic with finding things on the Facebook marketplace. Her perfectly curated dining room is accented with African masks and mudcloth, and she also incorporated mid-century style along with the bamboo and other cultural things that really tied this room together. The African art that's above her buffet is absolutely gorgeous and it ties everything in. Her space is so wonderful, just makes me want to pull up a chair, get cozy, have a drink, and take in the beautiful view. And again, created using thrifted finds. And next up is the beautiful dining room of Dominique Harris. So the dark walls drew me in. I mean, it looks so cozy and welcoming in her dining room, and I loved how she just lined her walls with the art. Everything was perfectly styled, and that lamp, I just love it on her buffet. Excellent choice. And using thrifted candle holders gave her tablescape an elegant look. And so again, it's all about being inspired to create your home on a budget. For this season, let us all be thankful for what we have, be appreciative of the many blessings that we have in our life that God has bestowed upon us, and I hope you enjoy your Thanksgiving. I hope you enjoyed this video, and always please remember, be inspired, because beauty is being home and loving it. Thank you again for tuning in. My name is Jamela. If you like this video, please drop me a comment, like, and share, and I'll see you again. Enjoy your holiday. Bye-bye.